What's your name?
Hello, my name is Edison Lavatai. Uh, on December 17th, 2018, I had a hip replacement. I would not recommend you waiting for a year if you're in pain, excruciating pain, to get it done. But my pain started back in 2017, September, and I have a high tolerance for pain, but I finally did it to 2018, December 17th,
Which was
which was a Monday,
two.
2 days ago. And so this is day three, and the hip feels
No,
really
this is
good.
day two.
Oh, sorry, day two. The hip feels really good. Sorry for my looks. I look like I haven't shaved for a week, but yeah, it's been painful because, like the doctor said, normally it's easier for smaller people because the new technology they have nowadays, it's not so aggressive. But they went through the front and they just spread the muscle apart and replaced the hip. And such smart doctors, really good. But he told me in the beginning that the muscle was going to take longer to heal. And I'm very anxious, needing to get around, but you need to follow the doctor's orders. Take it easy the first week. Don't try to overdo it. They give you exercises, uh, and so
Does it,
there
does it,
are,
so it hurts really bad, the muscles?
and the muscle really hurts. I can't really lift my leg up. Yeah, so it's very painful.